Welcome back. Let's take a look at a very important concept in chemistry, especially most of the calculations that we're going to do, and that is dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis involves conversion factors. You must be able to remember, identify, and create your own conversion factors. Conversion factors are simply relationships. Usually, these relationships are written as fractions in order to do the math. An example would be you were told you can make one chair every hour. You would need to make this into a fraction in order to work the problem. More information would be given, such as, in 3 hours, how many chairs can be made. So, I will create a fractional relationship, putting chair on top and hours on bottom. I could also have put hours on top and chair on bottom, depending upon what is being asked for. So, now I'm going to write it out. I take my given, which is 3 hours. I know that my answer unit is chair. So when I write my relationship, I'm going to put chair on top because by putting hours on the bottom, it cancels. Answer units always go on top. So I put a 1 here for each of the values, and I will do the math across. And I see that it is 3/1, giving me 3 chairs produced. Let's take a look at another conversion. If you were given 40 centimeters, how many meters is that? So I would go to a table and I would find out that every 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. This is the relationship. So I take my given. This given times something is going to equal my answer, which is meters. I only have 2 values to work with in this fraction, meters and centimeters. I know that I want meters, so I have to put that on top. It is my answer unit. Therefore, the only other unit involved in the relationship is centimeters. It goes on bottom to cancel. Now I'll put the numbers that go along with the relationships, and I will do the math. And the math will end up being 4/10. This would reduce to 2/5, and you would use a calculator to get the math. That's it for now. See you next time. Bye-bye.